How to post notes on Facebook profile. What is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily post notes on your Facebook profile. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let us jump right into the video. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Facebook app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you have done that, you can tap on the menu icon at the top right corner. It will take you to your menu. Now you can tap on your profile name or profile picture to simply head over to your profile. And now here, as you can see, you have an option to post notes. So just tap on it. Tap on the notes icon like this, and here you have an option to share notes. So your notes are a lightweight way to express yourself and your thoughts. Notes are shared for 24 hours on Facebook and Messenger. Only you can see replies to your note. Now just tap on got it. Now type in anything you want. And once you have done that, if you want, you can also add music. So just tap on this music icon and you can browse through the music. So let me just add this one and then tap on done. Now, once you've done that, tap on share and you've successfully posted a note on Facebook. So if someone taps on your profile, it will show you your note. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video.